Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Easy Learning. Today I am going to teach you Maths for class 6 and plus start with lesson 1, which is knowing our numbers. In your previous classes we have learnt up to 4 digits number, that is up to ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. If the number goes beyond 4 digits, let's see how to read those numbers. First of all, before we learn how to read the numbers, there are two ways of reading those numbers when the number goes beyond 4 digits. So first let's look into the Indian system. In that it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and then comes 10 crore. So first, once you learn this, you must learn to split these numbers. Up to 100 it is one term, thousands and 10,000s is the next term, lakhs and 10 lakhs is one, and crores and 10 crores is the other one. That is nothing but when you write a number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. You should split the numbers. So first comes, you have to put a comma, that is inserting commas. You must put after 3 digits, then after 2 digits, which is thousands and 10,000s, then it is lakh and 10 lakh after 2 digits, and the last 2 digits the crore and 10 crore. Whenever you put commas, always you remember you should put a commas from right to left. Never use it from left to right. Should always insert it from right to left. That is very important. So whenever you write this number also, this number should start from the ones place. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Why I wrote this number is just for you to remember that the Indian system there are 9 digits number and the 9 digits are there, and so that you can write it correctly. If you miss one also, you will be automatically able to recollect that you have missed something like lakh or a crore or whatever it is, and you can identify them easily. Now let's see how do we read this. So to read this, you read it from this side. It is 12 crore 34 lakh 56,789. This is how you read a number in an Indian system. Now let's see the second type of system, which is the international system. This is the second way. Even in this we'll learn how to read a 9-digit number, but the way is totally different. The only thing is you have to remember is both have a 9-digit number which is read in two different ways. So in this, first comes the ones, then the tens, then the hundreds, then comes thousand, then comes 10,000. Up to this 5 digits in the Indian system and international system is the same, but after this it totally differs. In international system, after 10,000 you have 100,000, whereas in Indian system it is lakh. After 100,000 in international system it is a million. You call it as a million. Then you call it 10 million. After that it is 100 million. So in this, let's see how do we split the number. Over there we have first 3 digits followed by every 2 digits. In an international system, always remember ones, tens, hundreds play one part. Next comes the thousands. All the 3 thousands together you read it at once, and then the millions. This is an easy way to remember. All the thousands together and all the millions together. So let me write the same 9-digit number here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the way you split here, and that is the way you put commas in an international system, differs from an Indian system. First you put after 3 digits same as an Indian system. Post that it differs totally. Again you put a comma after 3-digit number. So we have to read 3 numbers together in an international system. So let me write it over here and show it to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Even in international system, it's the same way. You have to put the commas from right to left. Okay, so let's read. How do you read this number? I have written both the same number to show you the difference between both. In this you read it as 123,456,789. This is the only difference for Indian and international system. The only thing that you have to remember is the headings, and both have a 9 digits. If you remember this, the remaining part of your sums will be very easy for you to deal with. So based on the above concept, now let's solve our exercise sum. Exercise 1.1, page number 12, the second one. The second sum is similar to the concept that I taught you. So the first one, let's solve 2a. 2a says place commas correctly and write the numerals. That is, you have to write a number and put correct commas for it. The first one says 2a 73,75,307. 73,75,307. For your easy understanding, first let's write since it says lakhs, let's write it in the Indian system like crores, lakhs, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. So now it is 73 lakhs. So it comes under 73 lakhs. Next comes 75,000. 75,000 is 75 under the thousands, 7 under the 10,000 column and 5 under the thousands column. Next it says 307. 307, how do you write 307 is 307. Now if you read this, it will be like 73 lakhs 75,307. So let's see how do you write that by comma. Since 73 is under the 10 lakhs and 10 lakhs column, you write 7 3 comma 7 5 comma 307. So based on the Indian system, how do you have to place commas? After the 3 digits, first after 3 digits, then after 2 digits and then after 2 digits. So it's under the Indian system, 73 lakhs 75,307. Next one, B. Now the second one, 2B. Your 2B says 9 crore 5 lakh 41. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. So the moment you see crores, you must first able to identify that it is under the Indian system. So when it is 9 crore, you should write 9 under the C column. If you write it over here, it becomes 90 crore. So be very careful when you are writing. It should be 9 crore. 9 crore. Then it is 5 lakhs. Since it is 5 lakhs, 5 should come under the lakh column and insert 1 0 here. If you write 5 0, it becomes 50 lakhs. Only now it will be 9 crore and 5 lakhs. 9 crore, 5 lakhs and 41. They have told only 41. 41 comes under tens and ones. So the remaining all are zeros. If you put a columns and write like this, your numbers will be clear and you will be able to identify how many zeros have to come in between. Once you write like this, it's easy for you to write a number using a comma. So it becomes, since we have put lines over here, so you should first have a comma after 9, then after 0 5, again 0 0 comma 0 4 1. So this becomes 9 crore 5 lakhs and 41. So once you write like this, it will be easy for you to do it. Now let's see C, 2C. This C reads as 7 crores 52 lakhs 21,302. So this also is also in crores. So once you see crores, again it should like Indian system. In Indian system, 7 crores. So it's again the same thing like the previous one. So it's 7 crores, write 7 under the C. If you write it here, it becomes 70 crores. So always remember, if it is 7 crores, write it under C. 52 lakhs. Now over here it says 52. So lakhs. So 5 and 2 under the lakhs column. It becomes 52 lakhs. Then 21,000. 21. You write 21 thousands. So you write it under the thousands column. Then it is 302. 302. So now if you read it, it will be 7 crores 52 lakhs 21,302. Now it's easy for you to place commas as usual. 7 comma 5 to 52 lakhs, comma 21,302. Now next see D. D says 58,423,202. Since you read here million, you should remember that it's not under the Indian system, it comes under the international system. So you first write it ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. Always, as I explained you in the concept, it's 333. Thousands together, millions together, come separately. So let's see how do we write this. D, 2D. It says 58 million. So 58 million. If it is 508 million, you will write it under hundreds column. Now since this is 58 million, you write it here 58 million, 423,000, 423,000, 423. Then it is 202, 202. So this is how you write it in an international system. Remember, this D question comes under the international system as it is in millions. So as you have drawn columns over here, it becomes easy for you to put commas also. 58, comma 423,000, comma 202. See, after 3 digits you have placed a comma, again after 3 digits, and the remaining are here. Now let's see the E1. It's 23 lakhs 30,010. So since it is lakh, it comes under the Indian system. Let's write it here, E. So 23 lakh. Split your question and read so that you will be able to write it easily. 23 lakhs. So it comes under lakhs. 23 lakhs. 23 lakhs 330,010. 23 lakhs 30,010. So 30,000 comes here, 30, 30,000 and 10. 10 is here. So hundreds they have not given, so you write 10. Now if you read it, it will be correct. 23 lakhs 30,010. That's what they have asked in the question. So let's see how to write this. 23 lakhs, comma 30,000, comma and 10. This is how you write it. These three are in the Indian system and this one is in Indian system. This alone is in the international system. Others are in Indian system. Only thing that you have to remember is whenever you have the term crore or lakh, it comes under the Indian system. Whenever you have the million, it automatically goes into the international system. And remember, after 3 digits, the comma has to be placed when it's million and Indian international system.